Hi guys, this is the video for the picking version of Skip to My Lou in the new book 1. The song uses 2 fingers when you're picking, and try also use multiple fingers on the fretboard over here. So middle finger on the bottom string, pointing finger on the second string, and then thumb resting on top. Just watch out for those tricky rhythms there. You'll see the notes that are connected with a bar across the top of them. They're slightly faster. Just listen to what I've played and try and copy that rhythm when you come across those.